Hello everyone, my name is Avinash and welcome back my channel The Learning Destinations. And today once again I'm back with a super fantastic topic, and this is related with the OpenAI. Now under this sessions I'm going to cover that how you can build your own chatbot application using the OpenAI. How you can leverage the use of OpenAI API to build your own chatbot application. And if you are visiting my channel first time, then please do subscribe, and if you have already subscribed my channel, then don't forget to like and share. Now let's jump into the practical sessions. Alright guys, let's start the practical sessions. And in order to build the chatbot applications, we need to write few codes in Python, and for that I am going to use Visual Studio Code. However, you can write the code in Jupyter Notebook as well, but since Visual Studio Code is lightweight and having more advantages, that's why I am going to use Visual Studio Code. Okay, so and before writing the code you need to install two packages. First is LangChain. So here I am going to use the LangChain framework. I have already installed in my machine previously. Okay, and second one is OpenAI, because we are going to use the OpenAI API. That's why these packages are required, and we are going to use the LangChain framework. Okay, then after that we need to write the code. So I'm going to make one file here, say my chatbot.py. Now under this we are going to write Python code. So we need to say import OS, and then after that we need to say OS dot work on, and then we need to use the OpenAPI key, OpenAI API underscore key. Okay, then here I'm going to give the OpenAI API key. Okay, so I'm going to show you that how you can generate the OpenAI API key. Okay, but let's first write all the codes here. Then after that we say import from LangChain this framework dot LLMs, import what we need to import, OpenAI. Okay, so we are saying that okay, import this OpenAI from this framework. Now after that we need to define LLM. Okay, and say OpenAI, and here we need to define the model name. Model name, it means the LLM model which we are going to use for this applications. Okay, so here you need to give model underscore name, model name. Let me delete this one, and here we need to define the model name. So model name for this I am going to use -003. Okay, then after that we need to write query equal, then query, our query is, I say write five lines on LLM. Okay, then we need to print the answer, so we say answer and then LLM inside that query, and then after that we need to print answer, so we say print answer. Okay, so this is few lines of code. That code is prepared. Now we need to only mention here the API key, and now I am going to show you how you can generate the OpenAI API. Okay guys, so now we need to generate this OpenAI API key, and for that you need to log in openai.com, and after that you need to visit this API key. But before I generate the API keys, let me tell you something. I have taken the paid subscription, and that is the reason that once I generate the keys it will work. If you do not have paid subscription, you can generate the keys, but then it will say that you have already reached to the limit. Okay, so before generating the keys, make sure that you have taken the paid subscription of OpenAI. So I'm saying, I'm giving it name my chatbot and generating this secret key, and I'm copying this secret key here. I'm going to paste here, and here we need to use double quote actually. Yeah, now it will correct. And here I'm giving more specific, like I want to know about the large language model. So I'm giving it more specific name, so it will be easy to understand for this AI platform, OpenAI. Okay, now I'm going to run the program. So my question is write 5 lines on large language model, and let's see that whether it gives successfully answer or not. Okay, so I'm going to run this program now. It's running currently, and just wait for a few seconds, then it will give the answer here. So here it has written the 5 lines on large language model. Let's check that whether it is accurate or not. It is saying a large language model is a statistical language model that utilizes large amount of data sets to generate accurate and reliable predictions. Due to massive amounts of data used in large language model, the results are more accurate and powerful than other language models. Okay, so I think it is quite accurate. Okay, and it is talking about the large language model, the LLMs. Okay, let's try with the different query here, and this time I say that write 5 lines on, you can give any lines, like let's say this time I say write 4 lines on Fermi law. Okay, let me clear this here and run this program once again. Program is running, and let's put, okay, so it has given the Fermi law in 3 lines. Okay, so Fermi law states that the energy of a particle is related to its momentum by the equations so and so. The law was first proposed by Italian physicist Enrico Fermi in 1926. Yes, that is correct, and it is quite accurate. So in such a way, you can build your own chatbot application. So this is just only the code, but just in case you want to build a UI interface, so you need to code here something that can give you the user interface, and you can create over there the button to submit the query and the answer, and that's how you can build your own chatbot applications. So guys, this is just a simple example, just giving you an idea that how you can build a chatbot applications, but by putting your logic, you can make more complex applications and more vast applications here. Okay, so that's all from this lecture, and I believe you really like it. So don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video as well. Guys, you can also follow me on LinkedIn, and if you have any questions, it is hard to answer on the comment sections, but if you ping me on the LinkedIn, I can instantly reply. So this is my name, Avinash Mathur. I am appearing on the LinkedIn by this name. You can follow me here too. Okay, so that's all from this time, guys, and I hope you really like it. I will see you in my next tutorial. Till that time, thank you so much for watching this. You have a very lovely day.